All right, here we are. We're going to be doing the Sigma 6 Diesel Geek short shifter on this car. While we're in there, going to check out the bleeder valve. I do have the billet version from ECS from my previous car, as well as the stainless steel clutch line. We're going to remove the intake, and then we're going to remove the battery, start the clip, the bracket, ground, and power. This is just the line here. If you have a GTI, I believe there's a secondary filter right here. This clip, which I've already removed, giving us some access there. And then this should pull right out. It's attached down here. A little tough because the car's still new. It'll be a little tough getting these grommets up that are down there. And get a couple of tools. All right, well, this wasn't too bad. Getting the rubber grommets out of that took way too long. So this is, let's get the welter rig kit. So stacked. When you tie in this, it's tighten, 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 in that order, back and forth. It's aluminum, so you're gonna have to do that. So as far as putting this together, it was tighten this down, not too tight. Don't want to strip that. And then I had there's two little pieces there. You put this one in on this side, and you attach the other little, it's like a little plastic insert. It's right there. Same thing on the other side. You attach it onto this actual bracket before you slide in. Get those lined up. When this is pulled back to this, you can lock the transmission when you go to adjust it. So you get in neutral and you push it down until this pin goes in. All right, now it's out. I think I made the adjustment. I'm gonna have to keep doing it. But that one's locked when it's locked, and you can only really make the adjustments when you lock it. So I have locked the transmission in here. Pull this shifter assembly up by kind of like pulling on the boot itself. There's these little clips. They clip into those spots. There's a hole right in there. I use this piece. The one that was sent with the Mk8 or the Mk8 I had originally, it doesn't lock in. So I'm going to pull that out of that lock. See, it can't move right now. Pull it out. So now it's got movement. So now we can, this is front, as you see, second won't go in, third won't go in, fourth goes in, fifth goes in, sixth goes in. Very, very short, but second is not going in. So side to side seems to be okay. It seems to be going over into all the gears except for second. So second needs to go back in. So I gotta put this back in, lock it, and try again.